Ulai ke mangkuhar ba Renikton el tongkaro ulong makadai ke por ba Sorkar ngat Pynbna Paidbah sya jagi kam ma bhajung ka khnang bagi Paidbah kin tip hapsi mental ho jingkran ulat apo yang do tau ai mata kasngi ba Renikton ulong ba Sorkar ka le sibun ki kam ma bha man kan teu ki Paidbah ka cela nrei ki breu kim tip bat ke hala srok ban kren persya ek Sorkar ulong balada ka Sorkar kam pentip yagi kam ba bha bagala le ki breu kin kren persya eka kanungo dek ki YouTuber ki Pynbna ki kam babha ka Sorkar bat kadai ke por ba ka Sorkar kan plut por Pynbna ya ki kam babha jongka hakaju ka por ang mawat ma ukum ru tip ki kam babha jong ka Sorkar cela bat kani ka dai ka por Pynbna ya ki jing tip syaki Paidbah khnang bakin tip bat kin yoi om bakin kren persya ek Sorkar lentel tai
reminds us that is sometimes the program which is very important, it is very difficult to continue as far as possible. Otherwise, it affects the needy, which is really need of that program. Sir, I want to tell you one thing about one NGO at Mokrawat. We have that Life Care Foundation. They have started the building construction for the rehab there, for which we know that the government, we don't have a rehab as of now in the district of Southwest Kasayan. Life Care Foundation, they have completed the building, and they are looking now for the financial support for the staff to run. Completed the building, completed the fencing, and is ready to inaugurate. I have requested the Minister of Social Welfare to go and inaugurate this building and the premises, for which they are looking now to get the support for the financial support of the staff to run this rehab, which is really, really important in each and every district to have the rehab, the rehabilitation center. Sir, in fact, I want to continue, but because of the paucity of time, please, I just want to thank the government once again. But sir, on my conclusion remarks, I just want to say that the government has done many good job, but sad to say that many people, they do not know this good job done by the government. That's why they cried on the road from our young people. They are speaking against the government because they don't know the good job done by the government. This is the thing which I want to express here. It is very, very important that the good job done by the government should be translated into the information that the general public should know. Good job done by the government. Otherwise, it is on contrary that people are talking against the government because people do not know the good job done by the government. I don't know how much the government has spent in the publicity to let people know the fact. How many YouTubers do we have as a government? That the YouTubers to explain, to tell, to inform the people, the general public to know about the good job done by the government. I think it's time, sir, that the government should spend, because now people, they don't have time to read books. If we are supplied with these books, hardly any people will have time to read books. But if it's there on YouTube, because people, most of the time we spend time on our mobile, they will know the good job done by the government. That's why I want to express here, sir, that sometimes there are many good job done by the government, but even we, legislators, we are not informed. We do not know. I don't know how many MLAs here that we know all the good job done by the government through basin in our area, in our constituency. I think all MLAs will agree with me that most of the things we are not aware, we don't know. Sir, this is the time that we have to give everything, the information properly to people. And that is the only way that we can expect that people will not speak against the government all the time, but they will see the good job done by the government, and we will get the support from the people of the state of Meklia. This is the point I want to raise, sir. Please. And with this few words.